All right.
It's very, very special. You know, it's not only is it two of our girls from our sport, but actually from what I know is the first two true student athletes from all sports here at Donna North. And like you mentioned, being our first year of existence, and having this type of gratifying moments. It's an awesome feeling.
It's gonna help me out because my parents, my mom and dad couldn't fund money for me, and I didn't get enough financial aid. So it's a really big deal for me.
Quiero estudiar kinesiology, que es para ser un coach y enseñarles y ayudar a los estudiantes a que hagan el deporte al igual que yo lo estoy haciendo.
The way for them, their ticket is playing soccer, and through soccer, they'll be able to get their degree. And so what better way to do this, to prepare them for the future and be outstanding citizens, in a form of playing soccer and earning their degree.
All right, perfect.